What a beautiful day! Let's go pick some flowers in the garden.
Great idea. Let's get some fresh air.
I'll go first, Mom and Dad.
Woof! Please help me.
Don't worry, I'll help you out. It's too hard. I need Mom and Dad's help.
What's going on, son? A little dog is stuck in the bush.
Poor thing. Let's help him out.
Here, drink this warm milk. You must be hungry. Let's check your paws. Do you have any scratches?
We did something wonderful today. Yes.
Helping others feels great.
Whew. We did something wonderful today.
Yes.